blessing peace. Alright, you are going. They are the Afro Fest, see? But really and truly, I never really come with the intention to vlog still. As you can see yourself, I do a look at hustling, you see me? I jerk some chicken, sell some juice and thing. But what may I say people? At first we did pull up at the Jamaica meet Trinidad day, right? And me I tell you say, yo, we own people and give a warm time, brother. The people fight you on big time, you see me? So we have to end up move from this up. Come at the Afro Fest, them accept we, nobody not giving a problem and thing, you see me? So yeah, I'm gonna see what I go on still, see if I can make some money, you see me? I'm not sure when I look at people what I go on, right?
Yeah, that's what we are.
So
but you know, ladies and gentlemen, today
yeah, the Afro Fest,
we're celebrating
as you can see right here.
Culture, so it's only right that it's going to be a very, 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 very hot day. Of course, we appreciate everybody
later
who's
on some
outside
artists
today.
will touch the stage
Real
and
quick,
thing.
man, shout out to Kev for holding it down, my big brother. I got DJ Flash Gordon. We're gonna get into some, some Afrobeat music, and then wherever you are, buying, shopping, tasting the drinks, make sure you're dancing as you're swiping.
Later on, I see if I can capture some more to meet spoon and thing. Yeah, so you see, light up the grill now, you know. Yes, it. Yes. One. Yeah. Grill up and banging. Right. So we chop on some chicken from the grill now. Yeah. Still that event, you know. Still get a fight, you know. Still get a fight. The people want to tell us we don't pay for nothing. So if you buy property, was a free park. See me? People up on the front to do them barbecue free and thing. And they do what thing, and it's like them feel threatening. You see me? The smoke I smell too good, the smoke smell too good. So it's like them feel threatening. You see me? Them feel them now go sell, so them want to fight and thing. But I good still now, the Almighty will trust in him, you see me? So go and do things same way, you see me? Nah, give up the fight, you know? I'm sure no one going from the crowd, you see me? I'm not even sure no one going. Yeah, I kinda put them one side still, because all of them are ready and thing. They sell a couple pieces already, well, you know? So just wait for the people them for them. But they not put them more on the bill, because as some said, they might give a fight and things. You know what, bro, you see me? People don't want to see young youth make it, you know? So it goes still.
Hands up, if you feel the love and wanna have fun. Hey, everybody get some more. Look at your friends and just get one. Hey, everybody, hands up. Don't let the country where you come from. Hey, everybody, if you feel the love, come and get some. Hey, y'all ready? To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the front, to the back, to the front.
So we don't really record this name. We just busy trying to make some money.
Everybody, I feel our team. Hey, let's go! Só quero falar uma coisa que vamos fazer de dançar. Vamos assaltar o movimento do corpo. É necessidade que vai ter que manejar. Não pode acabar. Já não tinha chegado o tipo de música que você vai ter que escutar. Nunca se acertar. Agora a gente tá falando da maneira que o homem está a pensar. Vamos relaxar. Top 5 and we're not 5. Go ahead and move your feet and slide. Oh, wow, oh, wow. Top 4 and we're not 4. I know you really want to dance some more. Oh, wow, oh, wow. Top 3 and we're not 3. If you want to come and dance with me. Oh, wow, oh, wow. Top 2 and we're not 2. Don't worry, I'm not going to dance. You ready? If you feel alive and want to have fun. Hey, everybody dance up. Go get all your friends up to get one.
Yeah, peeps. Alright, so people finally get for move, you know. About 4 times the lady come to us, say she'll call police and things, you see me, cause we don't have a vendor pass and the people them a complain, the vendor them a complain, say, you see me, cause I look at the vendor them a fret cause everybody has say jerk chicken smell good and thing and a be people that come to it. You see me? So we have to end up move the spot out to the front, you see me, as you can see. Gone way out of the front. Come like a drive-through, you know? See it? Like a drive-through. Yeah, man, so people can stop on the corner and order them chicken and things, you see me? Yeah, man, so you don't know, you know. We're out here, you know, we are hustling, you know? Hustle and things. So, let me know what you think about the situation and thing. It's a free park, right? The ice cream man, they're free. Ice cream vendor, they don't pay for no pass. There are a lot of people on the premises and don't pay for no pass, but just to the chicken, I hit them nose so hard. It's like the others a vendor them will cook, start fret and things, you see me? So, yeah, man. So it goes still, you know? We're outside. Thank you. You don't want to do? Yeah, 20? I just want to do it. Okay. These are good. Quick, yeah. This thing, you know what you think? No. Very nice. That's right. That's very fruit. So, you guys have like a 30 pump? Do you know 30 pump? 30 pump? That's 30 pump. Like a palm juice? Oh, palm. Oh. Traces and alcohol? Yeah, beer. Yeah, the Heineken. No. Trust me. Do you drink that in breakfast? No. It tastes good, right? It's beer, right? Alcohol. It's an alcohol. Yeah. Like, it's grapefruit. From the tree, actually. Grapefruit. Oh. Which fruit is it? No. Grapefruit. Huh? Grapefruit. Yeah, you know grapefruit? Yeah. Not grape, you know. Grapefruit. It's like an orange, but it's like a sword. Yeah.
Espas, why are you looking? Nothing thing?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a Jamaican drink. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. All right, respect. Yeah. I'm trying to not this one.
Come in.
Alright, this is mine. This is mine though. What's up? Alright, peeps. We didn't work out bad after all. Even though they kick us out the venue and told us we didn't have a venue pass, right? Which honestly, I didn't know that you need a pass because I heard it was a free event and I know the park is free, right? And there's a lot of people doing barbecue there. A lot of families and so doing barbecue, right? Because it's a free park. So we thought we could go there and set up because it's a free event. Didn't know that you have to have a vendor pass, right? But really and truly still, if the lady just come to a calm and explain to a certain stuff, we would have paid for that pass, right? Or if she want, I heard that it's a charity event. If she want, we could have give something towards a charity, right? But the lady is just acting up. You have to leave the premises. You have to leave this and that. These people pay for their vendor pass and so forth, and they're complaining that the smoke and they're complaining all kind of stuff. But really and truly still is that because them see a lot of people coming to buy chicken from us and thing, is like probably them feel threatened, so we take with them customer and so forth. You see me? Which the people them tell us say, yo, una chicken smell good. You see me? And them come and bite and taste it and them just start come. See? So it's like the people never like that because them a watch that. Because here, one time the security come to and say to stop sell. Because we tell them say we are waiting for the truck to come move the stuff them. In terms of stop sell. So I really the selling are the problem because them see the customer them a come and a buy from we and thing. Right? But anyway still, we never work out bad up on the front. We almost sell off all the chicken. We only have like 20 pieces of chicken out of 110 pieces of chicken. So just look on that. Right? And if we did want, we could have sell off the whole of the chicken. It's just that my vibe did break, right? Them break my vibes and break my momentum. So I never put a whole heap of chicken on the grill. I will end up lose a whole heap of customer because some of them not go wait. And you have some whole heap of customer who wait for the chicken for ready. They actually wait on the chicken. They wait. Right? Alright, one lady buy from we, you know, and so she went inside the venue. And the lady come out back again and say, yo, I only get one piece out of it. She said, everybody take piece out. Everybody eat it off and one single piece to get out our own chicken. Right? Yo, trust me. Yeah, man, we're going good, man. We're going good. But as I say still, I don't want nobody feel like we have violate them policy and whatsoever and we have violate them event, right? But you could approach us better than that. Don't approach us with ignorance like you're bullying us, you know?
Because the police them pass us back and forth and the police them not arrest we or harass we or nothing like that. Police not even say nothing to it. Police just pass we, not even look at we.